One day, walking in the garden with Birbal and the other courtiers, Emperor Akbar bent to pick up a sharp stone. With it, he drew a line on the ground and said, Birbal, make the line shorter. He paused and, with a glint of mischief in his eyes, he said, But don't touch it, just make it shorter. Now, see what Emperor Akbar said to Birbal. You have to draw the line on the ground, but you are not supposed to touch, and drawn line you have to shorten it. The courtiers looked at each other. Birbal surely couldn't do this, could he? Perhaps he would finally be outwitted. All others were laughing that whether Birbal will be able to do this or not. But Birbal calmly bent down to pick up another stone. He quietly drew a second line below Akbar's. Everyone looked at two lines. Akbar's line was clearly shorter than Birbal's. What Birbal did, he took the another stone and drawn a big line than Akbar's original line. There was a brief silence. Then Akbar smiled. I thought I had outsmarted you this time, but you have done it again. Birbal did not make the line shorter than it was when Akbar first drew it, but he made Akbar's line shorter than his line. Akbar's line cannot be said to be short. It can only be longer or shorter than another line. See, you can see here two lines are drawn. One is drawn by Akbar and the other is drawn by the Birbal. Short is not an absolute concept, it is a relative concept. Akbar's line is shorter relative to Birbal's line. As we think about the puzzle and the problems, we cannot be sure that our assumptions are correct. We also want to remember that many things cannot be described in absolute terms. They can only be described in relative terms. A rich man may think that a dosa is very cheap, but a poor man will think that dosa is very costly. Cost is a relative concept. During winter, you may feel that the weather is very cold, but the weather is probably very warm relative to the weather at the South Pole. The stories of Akbar and Birbal are often based on the puzzles or jokes. You saw here with many examples, I explained you that the stories are based on puzzles or jokes.